Hello, this is Will from ProBackup, and in this video I will show you how you can backup your Confluence spaces. As you can see here, I'm already logged in to a small demo account of Confluence. And to start backing up your Confluence account, you can go to Apps and then click on Find New Apps. And if you then search for ProBackup, you'll find here ProBackup for Confluence. Then on this page you can click on Get App to install the app to your account. This might take a few seconds, but you can already go to Apps again and then click on Manage Apps. And it's on this page that the app will appear. So you can see here the app has already been added to my account. So from here I can click on the drop down and then click on Get Started to be redirected to ProBackup. In this case, I'm already signed in to ProBackup with an existing account. If you don't have a ProBackup account yet, then you will first need to create a ProBackup account before you are redirected to the onboarding process. I'm already signed in, so I'm redirected to the second step. On this step, I can select the spaces that I would like to backup. In this case, I will leave all of these checked, but this allows you to deselect or exclude some pages, maybe with some private information that you to exclude them from the backup. If you then click on Continue, you arrive on the third step. On this step, you have the option to connect to your Google account. So in this way, you have the option to sync your data backups, your Confluence pages, to your Google Drive account. So how does this work? When we backup your data every 24 hours, we store it with the heavy encryption on our own servers, and then from there, you have the option to sync those data backups to your Google Drive account. So in that case, we'll create a dedicated Google Drive folder with your Confluence backups and then store all of the pages and files in those folders. If you wish to learn more about this feature, then I recommend checking out our YouTube channel where you will find some tutorials on this. For now, I'll skip this, and then on the last step, the only thing that's left to do for me is to click on Start Backup. And this will start the first initial backup depending on the size of your Confluence account. Like if you have many pages or many files, this can take up to a few hours. But once the first backup is done, we'll send you an email with a notification, and from that moment on, you can log into ProBackup and access your data backups. So it's important to note that there's no further action from you required. So there's no further configuration or scheduling required. We try to make the onboarding process as easy as possible. Given I had created a very small demo account, the first backup is already completed in my case, which means I can now already go to the backup step, which is where you can access all of your data. So we see here we have pages, blog posts, attachments, and comments. For example, if I click on the knowledge base, you'll see the pages here, and then from here you can either open them or download them. You can do the same with the attachments that are stored within your accounts, and so on. So this is kind of in a nutshell how the user interface works, but if you wish to know more about how ProBackup works and how you can restore certain pages back to your Confluence account, then I recommend checking out our YouTube channel where you will find a lot more tutorial videos. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.